नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं इंशुल। मैं आप सभी का अपने चैनल टेक इन टारगेट पर स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में हमारे साथ है पूर्वा, जो कि प्लेस हो चुकी है टीसीएस में। तो दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में ये अपना पूरा का पूरा इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाली है। तो मेक श्योर आप इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देख रहे हो। साथ ही साथ दोस्तों, नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में इनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन जरूर विश कर दीजिएगा। तो दोस्तों, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं इनके इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ।
So myself Purva Gholap, I belong to Titwala. I did my BE in Information Technology from Atharva College of Engineering in Malad, and I got placed in TCS and Capgemini and also selected for Wipro. So that's all about me.
दैट्स ग्रेट। तो आप देख सकते हो यार, ये ऑलरेडी 3 कंपनीज में प्लेस हो चुके हैं। तो ये वीडियो काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। सो पूर्वा, अब आप अपने पूरे टीसीएस के रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस के बारे में बताइए। कब आपका पहला राउंड हुआ था एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स जो आपसे पहले राउंड में आपसे पूछी गई थी?
अच्छा, तो पहले हमारा एप्टीट्यूड वो सब हुआ था ऑन 12th of September, and in aptitude we were having cons, verbal and also logical. Along with that we had coding round. In that we have 2 questions for coding round, and after that it is means our test is over for TCS. And after 1 month I received selection mail from TCS. So from that I started preparing. I prepared some cons from Prepinsta, and for interview process I prepared from all over your YouTube channel, like introduction and projects, all everything I prepared from your channel.
ओके, सो थैंक यू पूर्वा। पूर्वा, ये बताइए कि पूरे आपका जो इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस है, जो इंटरव्यू राउंड था, उसमें आपसे क्या क्या इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए? आराम आराम से एक एक क्वेश्चंस बताइए।
ठीक है, सो पहला मेरा जो राउंड था विच वॉज शेड्यूल्ड ऑन 4th of October. In that I had 2 panelists. I think one was TR and other was HR. So my interview started with technical round. So firstly he asked me the same question which is asked to all, that is introduction about give your introduction. So I gave my introduction. So I used to watch your videos. So all the content which was there to mention कि introduction में क्या क्या बोलना चाहिए. So I said all those things. After that he asked me about my projects. So I explained my projects. Same, I referred your video, and likewise I explained the project that is plant disease detection system. So I think he want to ask like sequel questions usko पूछना था. तो he told me did you use database. So I told I am working on that. So he jumped from major project to mini project. So my interview was resume based, so he can see my resume and asked me questions. So उन्होंने मुझे minor project के बारे में पूछा. So I told my minor project was e-pharmacy website. So then he asked me that you must have used SQL in that. So the main thing he was doing is that he was seeing my project one by one, and he used to relate all those concepts with SQL concepts, like I made website. So login page, फिर उसका डेटा कैसे जाता है DBMS से कैसे रिट्राइव करना है. So queries पूछा, select, update, delete. He asked me all about that. Then he told me rate yourself in SQL. So I rated myself at 7 out of 10. And then he start asking me SQL questions, like what if you want to fetch data from product details, that which product is having higher price, so which query you will be using. So I told max query. Then if you want all those products to be arranged or rearranged in ascending or descending order, so what you will be using. So I told order by. And if you want to fetch out in descending order, so वो सब कैसे करना है. And from that he jumped to clauses. So order by clause, where clause, and having clause. After that he asked me about aliases. So that time I was not able to recover that what aliases is. So I told I am not able to answer the question. You ask me another question. So he asked me difference between union and union all. After that he asked me join. So what is join, and explain me the types of join. So this was one part, and in second part he asked me the front end, that is HTML. So what you means how you design that, तो पूरा उन्होंने डिटेल में पूछा मुझे. So I told I have made this login ID and all those. So then he asked फिर login के लिए which ID type you have used. So I told for name I have used text, and then he asked for password which type did you used. So I told password. After that he asked some questions from C programming, like what is C programming, and then he asked me about pointer. So what is pointer and types of pointer. So I told him, and then he asked me to code a program on arithmetic pointer. Means how you will do all those arithmetic operations using pointers. So I did one program, that is addition one. I showed him how addition is done with the help of pointers. Then my technical round was over. Then there was another panelist, means my HR round was started. So she didn't ask me my introduction. She directly asked me that why do you want to join TCS. So then I told why I do want to join TCS, and after that she asked me
पूर्वा,
why should I hire.
just
Yes.
one more thing, आप बता सकते हो कि why do you want to join TCS?
So so I told her that I can see we can as a fresher I didn't have any knowledge about what is going in the industry. So I want to learn those skills which you are teaching us, and for my good experience and for my growth I want to join TCS and all about that.
Okay, okay.
And then she asked me about relocation. Are you ready for relocation? So I told yes. And as I am staying far from my college, so as you told in your video that you can say that also कि दूर रहते हो और तुम्हें आदत है traveling करने की. So I told that also. Then she told me when you are going to complete your B. So I told I am completing my B in June 2022. So my all those rounds were over, and
ओके,
after that
पूर्वा
so
ये बताइए
after
आपके
that
पूरे मीन्स जो आपका टीआर और एचआर हुआ है, इसका इंटरव्यू ड्यूरेशन क्या था?
30 minutes.
ओके, 30 मिनट्स इसका आपका इंटरव्यू. एंड एनी क्वेश्चन जहां आपको नहीं आता हो, कोई एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन जहां आप नहीं दे पाए? क्योंकि मैंने देखा कि आपका पूरा का पूरा इंटरव्यू सीक्वल पर डिपेंड था, हर चीज आपसे सीक्वल से
Yes.
रिलेटेड पूछी गई थी.
Analysis वाला जो था which I was not able to give answer.
ओके ओके, लाइसेंस वाला आप आंसर नहीं दे पाए थे बस.
हाँ.
ओके, सो आपका टीआर और एचआर के बाद क्या हुआ था जैसे ये राउंड कंप्लीट हुआ आपका?
So at 7 p.m. I received another mail that you are having your HR interview tomorrow.
ओके
So again I had HR interview. In that I had HR questions plus MR questions.
ओके, सो व्हाट वर द क्वेश्चंस?
Yes. So firstly, HR greeted me. He welcomed me, and it was really very positive experience for me from TCS. So first he asked me about introduction. So as it was HR round, so I told about myself, my projects, my academics, and I have also mentioned my short term goals, weakness, and all. I didn't mention my hobbies. मैं भूल गई, and I said that's all about me. So after that, he asked, "Tell me something about your family." So I told about my family, my mother, father, what they are doing, my siblings, and I have also added some points like they are very supportive. They motivated me when I used to feel very low. They pushed me up by giving some motivation. Likewise, so वो हो गया. फिर after that. He asked me, do you know something about Tesla? So मुझे थोड़ा बहुत मालूम था कि Tesla is electronic car company. So मैंने उनको उतना ही बता दिया क्योंकि मुझे उतना ही मालूम था. So after that he asked me, your hobby is photography. So I said yes. Then he asked me that how you will cope photography with IT industry.
So how did
And
you answer
after
that?
that, I got very confused at what I should answer. So I told sir I am not able to answer this question. क्योंकि तभी बहुत ये भी नर्वसनेस भी था थोड़ा बहुत. And after that, he asked me that our India is developing right now. So how will you cope up that infrastructure with IT industry? ये दोनों को तुम कैसे ये कर सकते हो? तो स्टार्टिंग में आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू मीन्स मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि वो क्या क्वेश्चन है. तो आई टोल्ड हिम टू रिपीट. सो उन्होंने मुझे अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करके बताया क्वेश्चन. सो आफ्टर दैट मुझे समझ में आया था कि आंसर इसका क्या देना है. सो आई टोल्ड दैट वी आर यूजिंग सम ऑटोमेशन लाइक होम ऑटोमेशन. All those concepts can be used in infrastructure by using IT. And I also told that biometric system and face detection can be used in infrastructure industry with the help of IT industry. So after that, he asked me two situation based questions. That is, how will you handle some difficult situation? So uska answer मैंने बता दिया. After that, he asked me that your supervisor is not happy with your work. What you will do? So I have also answered that questions like I will try to convince him. If he is not convinced, then I will ask for 2 to 3 days of time and I will prove myself to him. So then he asked me about relocation and when you are going to complete your BE. और फिर यही सब normal HR questions he asked me.
ओके दैट्स ग्रेट. तो अब
And
पूर्वा
after
बस
that, yes.
बताइए, बोलिए बोलिए आप.
So at last he told me that आपको कुछ बताने का रह गया है क्या मुझे, like do you want to say something? So मैंने उन्हें मेरे प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बता दिया. Means he just want to check my communication skills. So that's why I think he asked me that tell me something that you left telling me.
ओके. तो आपका, मुझे लगता है पूरा का पूरा इंटरव्यू इनने आपसे काफी सारी चीजें पूछी, टीआर में भी काफी कुछ पूछा, एंड इवन एचआर में भी काफी कुछ. तो आपका इंटरव्यू ड्यूरेशन एचआर का क्या था?
30 minutes.
ओके, मींस 30 मिनट्स ईच.
Yes.
Okay.
30 minutes each.
पूर्वा देखो यार, अब आपका सिलेक्शन तो हो गया. अब आप ये बताइए कि जो फ्रेशर्स आने वाले हैं उनको कैसे टीसीएस की प्रिपरेशन करनी चाहिए, कौन कौन सी रिसोर्सेज यूज करनी चाहिए जिनसे वो भी आराम से टीसीएस का इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर लें.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल कि जो भी रिज्यूमे में लिखा है वो ही प्रिपेयर करो. मीन्स लाइक जो आता नहीं है वो यू शुड नॉट राइट दैट थिंग इन रिज्यूमे बिकॉज TCS, आई डोंट नो अबाउट प्रीवियस ईयर बट दिस ईयर TCS हैज टेकन देयर इंटरव्यूज टोटली बेस्ड ऑन प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड देयर रिज्यूम. सो आई विल टेल कि कुछ भी झूठा मूठा लिखो मत अपने रिज्यूमे में, जो है वही लिखो. And for cons and aptitude I followed Prepinsta, and all about interview कैसे देना है, क्या करना है, I followed your channel.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच पूर्वा, आप हमारे चैनल पे आए, आपने अपना पूरा का पूरा इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया. सो दैट मींस अ लॉट. थैंक यू सो मच.
I would like to thank you.
थैंक यू.
Thanks a lot.